Hello, very good morning to my dear friends, respected members, dear students, aspirants, and learners. Today, we want to discuss little bit of role of dietary fibers in our diet. In another way, we can say importance of dietary fibers in our diet. Whenever we are saying dietary fibers, it's mean what? It's mean dietary fibers are those type of fibers which have mainly cellulose contents. Cellulose contents are rich in plant sources. Cellulose a type of carbohydrate and it is referred as polysaccharides. Those cellulose is very necessary for our diet because it plays very crucial role for the maintenance of the health. Though in case of animals, cellulose diet is providing energy also. I mean it is a source of energy for animals. But in human being, there is non-presence of cellulase enzyme which is responsible for the digestion of the cellulose. That's why it is not responsible to provide the energy for us, but it plays a very crucial role for us. That's why we have to opt in our diet. What are the important sources of this one? Actually, green leafy vegetables are one of the most important sources. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach, such as lettuce, such as salads, etc. and etc. How they are concerned with our health? First point, dietary fibers are playing very important role for the maintenance of our GIT system. GIT system means gastrointestinal system. In other word, we can say it is responsible to maintain the digestive system. How? First point is this: the person who are taking optimum fiber rich diet, he or she will not suffer from the constipation. As we know, constipation is very common disorders for human being. So, if optimum or adequate fiber rich diet will be in our diet, then no doubt constipation will not happen. And constipation is ultimately a cause for so many disorders also, such as piles, it is one of the hemorrhoids, one of the. These are the things. If constipation will be there, then body would not be so active, we will not so active. The efficiency of our work will not be up to mark. So first of all, it is responsible to prevent the constipation. One thing is this. Second thing, it is also responsible to regulate the blood glucose. The person who are suffering from the diabetes mellitus, it is recommended that they have to take the fiber rich diet so that the extra glucose or extra carbohydrate which are entering into the blood, it should be absorbed by the diet and ultimately it will be released out from body in the form of stools. One thing is that mean the fiber rich diet is also responsible for the maintenance of the blood sugar inside our body. Third point is that it's also responsible to regulate the cholesterol inside our body. As we know, if the excess concentration of the cholesterol will be inside our body, it will cause cardiovascular disorders. So, the high fiber rich diet will be responsible to take the extra exogenous cholesterol, and ultimately it will be removed through the fecal. So, a person is taking the fiber rich diet, then there will be no hypercholesteremia and there will be no chance of cardiovascular disorders also. Along with this one, it has been observed that it prevents few particular types of cancer also, such as those who are taking high fiber rich diet. In such cases, it has been observed that colon cancer, the prevalence of colon cancer is lesser than the others. So, ultimately, we can say if we will involve the fiber rich diet, mean dietary fibers, if it will be in our diet, ultimately it will be responsible for the maintenance of our health. So, according to me, along with the your diet, there should be the fiber rich also, such as you have to involve the salad, you have to involve the leafy vegetables, you have to involve the lettuce in our diet. And ultimately, if a person will take these things, of course, he or she will be quite healthy. So, thank you very much. We will meet again. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.